Two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10.
That was awesome. You could have used a little more food in your mouth, though, Jack. You should cram that whole thing in there and do it again. Okay, go. Good job, boys. That's good counting.